everyone, and welcome. It's going to be a busy week here at Bel Air, so let's take 80 seconds and see a little of what's coming up. Tonight at 6 p.m., we will be joined by Pastor Ron Eckelbarger from the Hope for Homes Ministry. Join him as he informs us about this important ministry that seeks to follow the mandate of Christ to care for orphans by educating people about their needs, challenging families to adopt, and inspiring the church to become involved in active ministry to orphan children. Also tonight, our Navajo missionaries have returned and will be giving their testimonies about the working of the Lord in that fertile mission field. You won't want to miss tonight's amazing mission-minded service. As the long, hot days of summer plod along, Bel Air invites you to switch things up a bit on July 3rd with our special Out of Your Rut Sunday. There will be a regular morning worship service, but in place of Sunday school, we'll have a church-wide fellowship with lunch and games. Bel Air will open up the grill and provide the meat. You bring a side to share and be ready to have fun. There will be no evening service. Hope to see you there. Remember, Vacation Bible School begins tomorrow. We can always use more help, and please don't forget to pray for this vital ministry. Mark your calendars now for our upcoming Monday night revivals in August. Speakers include Dr. Jim Futrell, Kylie Young, Dr. Richie Allen, and Pastor Paul Crowley. As always, you'll find more information in your bulletin, and don't forget our new website is up and running where you'll find links to past sermons as well as all the information included in today's 80 seconds and much more. If you have any further questions or need help in any way, please feel free to ask one of our friendly greeters or stop by the welcome desk. Now let's join together in praise and worship of our beloved Lord and Savior.